Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to view a friend's posts on Telegram, you're in the right place. Maybe you've noticed your friend sharing updates, stories, or posts, and you want to see what they're up to. With Telegram's latest updates, viewing a friend's posts is easier than ever. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you stay connected and never miss an update. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account so you can access all your chats and features. Once you're inside Telegram, find the chat with your friend whose posts you want to view. You can do this by scrolling through your chat list or using the search bar at the top to quickly locate their name. When you've opened the chat, look at the top of the screen. You'll see your friend's profile picture or their name displayed there. Tap on either the profile picture or the name. Both will take you to their profile page. This is where Telegram gathers all the important information and options related to your friend. On your friend's profile page, look for the Posts option. Telegram has made it simple by adding this dedicated section, so you don't have to scroll endlessly through messages to find what you're looking for. Tap on Posts, and you'll instantly see all the posts your friend has shared. These could include stories, updates, photos, or other content they've decided to make visible to their contacts. That's it. With just these 3 easy steps, opening Telegram, going to your friend's chat, and tapping their profile to access the Posts option, you can quickly catch up on everything your friend has shared. This feature is perfect for keeping up with friends, staying in the loop, and engaging with the content that matters most to you. If you want to see even more, don't forget to explore other options on their profile, like stories or shared media. Telegram continues to evolve, making it easier than ever to connect and share with the people you care about. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring on Telegram.